In a world wired by connection, true change begins only when courage dares to speak and bias is no longer welcome. Hello, namaste, and warm greetings to all from the land of snow capped mountains and ancient wisdom known as Nepal. And today I stand here as a youth who believes in the power of young voices, who believes in the power of emerging voices, who were once told to keep their mouths shut, who were once told to keep the finger on their lips, even in this digital age. Let me tell you a story, my story. When I was a little girl, I overheard my grandfather telling our grandson is the pride of our family. He will carry our name. By saying these words, he looked at my brother with a huge smile and great pride in his eyes. But when he looked at me, he simply said, "She is sweet, but she is just a girl." Yes, you heard it right. It was the moment that carved something deep into my heart. It was not the anger, it was the fire which lit up me. Years passed, I read, I learned, I performed, I stood on stages facing thousands of people. And with every word I spoke, my voice grew stronger and so did I. And today, the same grandfather who once saw true pride only in my brother is proudly telling everyone that she is my granddaughter, she is the one who is leading our family. And yes, this is the truth that I have been holding up like a banner that the bias can be unlearned and it starts with us. Today, my grandfather got changed, not because I forced him to change, but I showed him who I truly am. That's why he changed. And this is the power we, the global citizens, hold in this digital age. Today we don't just scroll, we stand. Today we don't just witness, we speak. Today we challenge norms in comments, in videos, in classrooms, in society. Because we all know that the world cannot be changed until we do. And today I'm standing here not just for myself, but for the girl who is said that she can't lead, for the boy who is afraid to cry, for the child who is leveled less, and for each and every unheard voices who deserves to echo. Because this is not just a speech. This is a moment where we, the global citizens, don't wait for change. We need to become the change ourselves. So, let us not scroll past the injustice. Let us not laugh at the joke that bruised someone's truth. Let us not be the passive passengers on the highway of the internet. Let us be the compass bearer of empathy. Let us the youth be the echo of empathy in this world. Let us build a global community, not just of connection, but of compassion. Because the future of this world doesn't belong to the one who speaks louder, but it belongs to those who speaks with the truth, who speaks with the fact. And as long as I have breath in me, I will speak not just to be heard, but to be understood in this digital age. Thank you very much.